This website here that I've never shown prior on my channel will literally pay you thousands of dollars for just copying and pasting images. People all over the world are making a lot of money on a daily basis with this website, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to be one of them, but without having to do any of the hard work at all and having to invest hours and hours of your time into this. All of the work is literally done for you. Just before we get into the video though, let me clarify this. This will not make you rich and is most definitely not a long-term business model. So if you're looking for ways to make money in the long run, not just for now, then you really want to take a look at the very first link down below, where you will also find out how I myself started making money as a complete beginner with no skills or experience. And with that, let's now jump straight into this tutorial. The very first site you will all want to go over to, and also the website I've shown you in that intro, is this one here called templatemonster.com. And what this is, you can see right away on their homepage. This is a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell various digital products. You have WordPress design, Shopify designs, HTML or website templates, e-commerce templates, and so much more. Now, don't worry, I won't tell you to go over to this platform and pay someone else for some digital product. This literally will be 100% free, as you will soon find out. With that said, let me show you something that will be quite important later on. Template Monster, as you can see, is being visited by 1.3 million people on a monthly basis, so it's a pretty popular website to say the least. And this is extremely important info, and here's why. We will not be purchasing anything on Template Monster. Rather, we will want to work on here. And this is mainly due to the fact that I have a 100% free software to share with you later on that will do everything for you for a particular type of service that is being sought after a lot on this site. And obviously, since this is a popular website, that means you can make a lot of money using it. Hence the reason why I'm showing you these numbers. Moreover, since the software does everything for you, that means that you don't need any skills. Obviously, on a site like this, you can't get paid if you don't have any design skills. But thanks to the tool I will show you in a few minutes, you will be able to get paid on this site with zero skills required, even as someone who has never designed anything ever. By the way, guys, you can see on SimilarWeb that Template Monster is being visited by people from the US, India, Brazil, Russia, Ukraine, and many other countries, proving that this is indeed worldwide available as promised. With all of that said and done, let me now show you what you will actually be doing on this website in order to get paid. You will be selling resume templates, and I want to now show you people that are making a lot of money selling them. To take a look at the numbers yourselves, all you need to do is click on Products in the upper left corner here. Hover your mouse over Graphics, and you then want to click on Resume Templates to the right of that. That will now take you over to this page here. And take a look at this now. This person I found is charging $10 at a bare minimum and has had over 350 sales, as you can see near the top here, meaning that we're talking about $3,500 made. And this is far from the only good example. This person here is charging $19 and has had over 850 sales. So we are talking about no less than $17,000 made in total profit selling those resume templates. These are only two of the many examples you yourselves can take a look at. Basically, long story short, you can make a lot of money selling these templates, further boosting the amount of money you can make while also reducing the amount of work you have to do to basically nothing. And now that you know that people are both making a lot of money on this platform and doing so from all over the globe, let's get to the point. You will need to click on Start Selling in the upper right corner here once you come onto this website. On the following page, you now want to first select Author here, since, as I said before, we will not be paying anyone. You will then go ahead and either enter in your email address and password in these two boxes here, then tick this box to agree to their terms, and finally click on Create Account below. Or you can alternatively sign up via Facebook or Google, which is much faster, and I would always recommend doing so yourselves. If you opted for the former option, What happens from here is you will need to go over to your Gmail account and then find and open a message from Template Monster that will look something like this. And just click on Confirm Email below to finish this process so you can log into your brand new account. When you log in, this is what everything will look like. As you will be able to see yourselves, they will ask you to add information to your public profile. And if you click on the Public Profile tab here, you'll see that you will have to add in a public name and a photo of yourself, as well as selecting which country you are coming from. And that's basically it. And by the way, of course, I want to show you what you have also seen in that intro prior. This does work worldwide. All of these different countries are accepted, so chances are this website will work no matter where you are coming from. Anyhow, here's what you need to do from here. First, click on Products, then on Add New Product here. Now, what you want to do first off is select the category in question, which for us will be Resume Templates, and then click on Next. And now that you've done that, it's finally time for me to show you the platform where you can get those resumes done for you so you can get paid big time. Here's the website I was talking about both in the beginning of this video and a second ago. It's called Crello.com. What this basically is a place where you can come and design various things. For example, you can design an awesome Instagram post using the thousands of templates this site has to offer. You can create a Facebook post, Instagram story, and so on. More importantly for us though, you can indeed design resumes. The first thing you'll want to do when you come onto this site is sign up. I've already done so, as you can see. To do so yourselves, you'll just need to click on Sign Up in the upper right corner here, enter in some of your data, and that's it. Once you log in, what you need to do from here is quite simple. Type in resume in this box here and hit enter. And this site will now show you thousands upon thousands of resume templates that you can charge $10 or $20 for each. And they are all done for you, with you literally having to do zero work. And consequently, you of course do not need any skills for this whatsoever. In any case, all you now need to do is just pick any one of these templates, edit them a bit so they look the best they possibly can, and just download them to your PC by clicking on the download button here. Finally, to finish the process, just go back over to Template Monster, upload the resume template, and charge some money for it. And just rinse and repeat from there. And you can do this for as many templates as you want to in order to earn as much money as you want to. As easy as that. If you want more strategies to make money online either easier than this one or ones that pay more money, then be sure to click on one or both of the videos that will pop up on the screen right now in a second. And with that said, this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then give this video a like down below. Every single one is highly appreciated. And if you want to get notified whenever a new video pops up, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know whenever a new video has been uploaded. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in some of the next videos.